Did you know that in 2012, Mini and Rolls-Royce joined forces to create a unique blend of performance and luxury? The Mini Cooper S, inspired by Goodwood, wasn't just a car, it was a statement of opulence in a compact package. Limited to just 1,000 units worldwide, the Inspired by Goodwood Edition featured exclusive Rolls-Royce touches including diamond black metallic paint, 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, and subtle badging that set it apart from standard Minis. Inside, the cabin was adorned with corn silk beige leather upholstery, walnut burr wood trim, and a cashmere headliner, all crafted with the same attention to detail found in Rolls-Royce vehicles. Under the hood, the car retained the spirited 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine from the standard Cooper S, delivering 181 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque, ensuring that performance wasn't sacrificed for luxury. The Inspired by Goodwood Edition came equipped with premium features such as adaptive xenon headlights, automatic climate control, and a Harman Kardon sound system, providing both comfort and convenience for its occupants. Priced at over $50,000, this special edition Mini was one of the most expensive models the brand had ever offered, reflecting its exclusive materials and limited production run. The 2012 Mini Cooper S Inspired by Goodwood stands as a testament to what happens when two iconic British brands collaborate, blending performance with unparalleled luxury in a compact form. Did you know that in 2012, Mini introduced a special edition that paid homage to London's iconic Baker Street? The Mini Cooper Baker Street Edition wasn't just a car, it was a celebration of British culture and style. The Baker Street Edition featured a unique rooftop gray metallic exterior with special black bonnet stripes in a subtle V-shaped design. Complementing this was 16-inch alloy wheels and black mirror caps, giving the car a distinctive and elegant appearance. Inside, the Baker Street Edition boasted exclusive cross-check rooftop gray light upholstery with a diamond pattern. This was complemented by matching interior surfaces and light gray contrast stitching on the floor mats, gear shift, handbrake gaiters, and seat tags, all bearing the Baker Street insignia. Under the hood, the Baker Street Edition was powered by a 1.6-liter inline-4 engine delivering 122 horsepower and 160 Nm of torque. This setup allowed the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 9.1 seconds, offering a spirited driving experience. The Baker Street Edition came equipped with the Pepper Pack, which included features like air conditioning, the chrome line exterior package, front fog lamps, and height adjustment for the front passenger seat. The Baker Street Edition paid homage to the famous London street home to the fictional detective Sherlock Holmes, blending cultural heritage with automotive design. Did you know that in 2012, Mini introduced a special edition that paid homage to London's vibrant Bayswater district? The Mini Cooper S Bazewater Edition wasn't just a car, it was a celebration of British culture and style. The Bayswater Edition featured an exclusive kite blue metallic exterior paint, complemented by a black contrasting roof and 17-inch light alloy sandblast wheels, with high gloss black surfaces and bright machined rim and spoke edges. The bonnet sported newly designed sport stripes that streaked dynamically towards the windshield, with the exterior mirror caps carrying an identical stripe design, blue on the right-hand side and gray on the left. Inside, the Bayswater Edition boasted punch leather seats in the exclusive Rocklight anthracite color, featuring side bolsters with a metallic sheen and blue and gray contrast stitching. The interior also included piano black cockpit trim strips, leather colorline elements in Rocklight anthracite, and model-specific floor mats with anthracite-colored edging and blue contrast stitching. Under the hood, the Cooper S Bayswater Edition was powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 181 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. This setup allowed the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.2 seconds, offering a spirited driving experience. The Bayswater Edition came equipped with the Pepper Pack, which included features like air conditioning, the chrome line exterior package, front fog lamps, and height adjustment for the front passenger seat. Additionally, it featured stainless steel pedals and the chrome line interior package, enhancing both comfort and style. The Bayswater Edition was part of Mini's tradition of releasing models named after iconic British locales back in 2012. The Bayswater Edition paid tribute to the vibrant area of London known for its high density of bars and restaurants, as well as its proximity to the famous Hyde Park. The 2012 Mini Cooper S Bayswater Edition stands as a testament to Mini's ability to infuse its vehicles with character and charm. While I don't necessarily think it is a true collector's item, it does continue to captivate enthusiasts with its unique blend of style and performance to this day. And for most of us out there, Kite Blue is probably one of the best looking colors that Mini has ever released. Like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thank you for watching.